Hey guys, this is Martin Mason with Rate 1 Financial, and welcome back to another episode of Mortgage Mind. We are at tip and trick number 8 called financing home renovations. Okay, so you're a home buyer and you've just been pre-approved for your financing on a home purchase. You start looking at properties you like in the area you want, and all you see is fixer-uppers and properties you just don't like because they're not turnkey. So you just quit, right? No, don't quit. Fannie Mae has a program called the Fannie Mae Home Style Renovation. A lot of lenders don't offer this program, and if they do offer it, they never advertise it because they don't know how it works and are scared to offer it. We've been doing them and they're pretty good. What it allows is financing for not only the purchase of the home, but also to finance and pay for the renovations of that home. So no longer do you have to pass up those homes that need a roof or that has an outdated kitchen or bathroom from 1972 or needs new flooring or new carpeting or new windows or whatever. With this program, you can get a loan to not only buy that house, but also pay for all those upgrades I just mentioned if those are the things that you know would need the house to have in order for the house to be the home of your dreams. So anyway, that's the home style renovation program. If you think you know somebody or you yourself could benefit from such a program, give us a call. We'll tell you exactly how it works. We'll tell you what it takes to qualify and whether or not it can help you. That's it, tip and trick number 8. We'll see you for tip and trick number 9 soon. And don't forget, if you like what we're doing, please follow, like, and share on our social media. Take care.